The summary of this video is if you are using external files like a JPEG, make sure that you've got your Blender environment set up with File, External Data, Automatically Pack Resources, so that the JPEGs actually become part of your .blend. The rest of this is about what happens if you don't do that. So previously I've dragged in this image called mywine.jpg, and that has had the effect of becoming a part of the collection here called mywine, and that's all fine, and I'll save that, and if I revert, then that's still there. But if I rename this file to mywine, say X, or worse, I delete it, if I now revert again, that shocking pink thing says I can't find that file, and I had thought that it would automatically make that a part of your .blend. It doesn't. Now, and that's fine if you want to handle it so that you always know and always have backed up your image files that you've made part of your .blend, but for my simple purposes, far easier is to make sure that you have the external data automatically pack resources checked, and that applies to your whole environment. So in summary, do what I showed at the beginning, automatically pack. Thanks, bye.